In this video, let's configure an electronic signature provider for Contract Management Pro. Ensure that either the DocuSign eSignature spoke or the Adobe Sign spoke is already integrated with your ServiceNow instance. To begin, select the All menu. In the search bar, type Integrations. Select Integrations under Contract Integrations. Select New. Select Electronic Signature from the Integration Type options. Fill in the form fields for the new electronic signature configuration. In the form, enter the name and description. Select the active checkbox to enable electronic signature. The contract request table is selected by default. You can choose to select a different table from which your contracts are initiated. Let's select Legal Contract Request Table for this configuration. You can define a condition for which the electronic signature will be applicable. Let's set a condition to apply the electronic signature for contracts, only when the country field in the contract request is Australia. In the App field, select the provider for electronic signature. In the Account field, click the search icon. The Account field appears only when DocuSign is selected as the provider. Select the Account ID. In the Attributes field, add the Web UI URL for Adobe Sign, or use DocuSign UI URL for DocuSign. Select Submit. Your electronic signature is now configured for Contract Management Pro.